I'm going to get this bathtub taken care of for these people, and I'm going to get all that stuff taken care of around the tub. And the reason this is so deglossed or deglazed, and that's how come sometimes they'll call refinishing reglazing. If you notice this outside wall, see how nice that's got a nice shine there, and then it really stops about right here. Sometimes what people will do is put toilet bowl cleaner around here, and that is actually how we used to etch the bathtubs back in the 90s. So the toilet bowl cleaner will take this gloss off of here, and once this happens, it starts to leach lead into the bath water. So you don't want to do that. I recommend cleaning it with Dawn Power Wash. It's for dishes. It disinfects, it cuts through any kind of grease, so therefore it cuts through soap residue very easily. And I'm going to get this fixed up, and I will put some slip resistant, get these little dirt collectors off of here, and get some slip resistant on here, and I'll update everything in a little bit. I'm going to buff this rust out of this drain to make that look so much better and reverse that around there. So anyway, it'll look great when I'm done. Everything is finished up here. Got the non-slip, or should I say slip resistant, because nothing's ever completely non-slip, but slip resistant on the bottom of the tub. Got all that rust reversed. I buffed out that rust that was on that. You can kind of see that slip resistant right on the bottom there. Got that rust buffed out on the drain, and around the overflow was filled in. I filled that in with a polyester resin, so it's just so it won't be leak or anything like that. And this will be ready to use in 24 hours. This is today's project, and had a couple of little chips, and we'll get those fixed. It's still got a leak around the, or from the downspout, but this is just a way for it to, probably seen it in a couple of my videos, just so it doesn't leak onto anything, and then the customer can just rip that off anytime after 5 p.m. tomorrow. And I'm going to reverse all that rust before I refinish it. And a little bit of rust and pitting, and we'll get all that reversed also. Get this fixed up for them. Super nice lady. Alright, I've got a slip resistant coating on the bottom. And it's really hard to see, but if you get it just the right angle with the light, you can kind of see it right through here. But anyway, it goes about 4 inches from the rear of the tub, and it stretches all the way up to the drain, and then it horseshoes around the drain. What I did here was, your drain was leaking, and I need to keep that water off the drain as much as I can. So I just rigged this up, and then tomorrow after 5 p.m. you can just tear the tape off of there. Just keep it from getting wet, that's all. And if it gets wet in a few hours, that's fine. It'll just give it that much longer to cure up. And I'm going to put another 2 coats on here, but I just wanted to kind of show you.